Hi, I'm Noel, and we're diving into one of the most interesting battles in project management, ClickUp versus Basecamp. Think power versus simplicity. ClickUp wants to be your everything tool, while Basecamp says less is more. Let's see which philosophy wins for your team. As we navigate 2025's digital landscape, the choice between these platforms has become even more critical. Both have evolved significantly, but in completely different directions. Your decision will impact your team's cost efficiency, collaboration effectiveness, project delivery timelines, and ability to scale operations. Basecamp takes away complexity to focus on communication and clarity, deliberately limiting customization, while ClickUp goes in the opposite direction with comprehensive feature sets. The user bases tell the story of two different philosophies in action. Basecamp attracts small to medium-sized teams, consultants, creative agencies, and organizations prioritizing simplicity over complexity. They want straightforward client collaboration without overwhelming options. ClickUp serves startups, enterprises, engineering teams, marketing departments with complex workflows, and cross-functional teams requiring deep customization. Basecamp excels with simplicity and client collaboration features, making it excellent for small to medium-sized teams and client-focused projects. The pricing strategies reveal each platform's market positioning. Basecamp uses a flat rate of $15 per user monthly with no tiers. Everyone gets all features, unlimited projects, users, and storage. ClickUp offers a freemium model starting free, then $7 to $10 per user monthly for unlimited, $19 for business, and custom enterprise pricing. Research analysts give Basecamp an analyst rating of 65 compared to ClickUp's 92, but pricing considerations often drive the final decision. The task management approaches showcase each platform's philosophy perfectly. Basecamp offers basic to-do lists with straightforward structure, limited detailing, simple assignment features, and linear progression, good for teams with straightforward workflows. ClickUp provides advanced tracking with multiple layers, custom statuses, nested subtasks, task dependencies, automation rules, and multiple view options including Kanban, list, calendar, and Gantt. The depth difference is significant. Both platforms handle team communication, but with fundamentally different approaches. Basecamp excels in structured communication with dedicated spaces for different conversation types. The campfire feature creates central gathering places, while message boards organize discussions by topic. ClickUp integrates communication directly into workflow with powerful task commenting, @mentions, and real-time document editing. This context-based approach keeps conversations connected to relevant work items, though some find it less organized than Basecamp's approach. This represents the biggest philosophical divide between these platforms. Basecamp offers minimal customization with simple, predetermined workflows, limited view options, no custom fields or statuses, and no native automation. ClickUp provides extensive customization with custom statuses, fields, priorities, multiple views, workflow automation, and custom dashboards. Basecamp is easier to use with simple setup and intuitive navigation, while ClickUp's flexibility can be overwhelming but offers powerful customization for those willing to invest time. Time tracking capabilities highlight each platform's approach to feature inclusion. Basecamp lacks native time tracking, requiring third-party integrations through services like Harvest or Toggle, creating additional expenses and potential workflow disconnects. ClickUp offers comprehensive built-in time tracking on all paid plans with global timers, task-specific tracking, time estimates versus actuals, detailed reports, and billable hours calculation. The native integration eliminates the need for additional tools. Reporting reveals where each platform's focus truly lies. Basecamp provides basic task completion reports, simple project progress overviews, limited data visualization, no custom reporting, and lacks resource allocation insights, focusing on simplicity over depth. ClickUp offers native, detailed reporting capabilities with customizable dashboards and metrics, while Basecamp requires third-party integrations for similar functionality. ClickUp provides enterprise-grade analytics with 50-plus widgets, resource management, sprint analytics, and exportable data. The integration ecosystems reflect each platform's approach to being comprehensive versus focused. ClickUp offers 100-plus integrations including Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Figma, Salesforce, HubSpot, Jira, and GitLab, providing extensive connectivity options. Basecamp maintains a more limited ecosystem with 25-plus integrations, focusing on essential connections like Slack, Zapier, and Google Drive, plus unique integrations like Hey Email and Highrise CRM. ClickUp wins on breadth, Basecamp on simplicity. Both platforms offer solid mobile experiences, but with different priorities. Basecamp provides a clean, simplified interface with fast performance, quick task creation, basic notifications, and offline access, emphasizing speed and simplicity. ClickUp delivers a feature-rich mobile experience with customizable notifications, voice notes, mobile time tracking, task creation from photos, and full offline sync. ClickUp is praised as a great tool for small and mid-sized marketing teams, with custom properties being a standout feature. The learning curve difference often becomes the deciding factor between these platforms. Basecamp offers intuitive interfaces with minimal options, quick team adoption typically taking 1 to 2 days, limited customization reducing complexity, and consistent design ideal for teams with varying technical skills. ClickUp provides feature-rich interfaces with extensive options, steeper learning curves typically taking 1 to 2 weeks, extensive customization increasing complexity, and multiple interface options best for teams willing to invest in platform mastery. Security capabilities show where each platform prioritizes enterprise readiness. ClickUp offers comprehensive security with full AES, 256 encryption, SOC 2 Type 2 compliance, comprehensive security audits, and SSO integration on Business Plus plans. Basecamp provides basic security with partial data encryption, SSL or TLS, two-factor authentication, and GDPR compliance, but lacks SOC 2 compliance and SSO integration. ClickUp better suits organizations with strict security requirements. For small teams, the value proposition depends on needs and growth plans. Basecamp offers predictable flat pricing, no feature tiers or upsells, straightforward features without overwhelming options, quick implementation, and all-in-one communication. ClickUp provides free tiers for very small teams, more affordable paid tiers, room to scale, advanced features when needed, and more workflow customization. Basecamp emphasizes ease and clarity, while ClickUp offers more advanced scheduling options for complex workflows. For enterprise or power users, the capabilities gap becomes pronounced. ClickUp provides scalability across departments, advanced permission controls, enterprise-grade security, workflow automation, custom reporting for executives, support for multiple project methodologies, and API access. Basecamp has limitations in scalability for complex structures, basic permission controls, lack of advanced reporting, no automation, limited support for complex methodologies, and less departmental customization. ClickUp clearly wins for enterprise needs. Both platforms offer solid support, but with different community approaches. Both provide 24/7 email and chat support for paying customers. Basecamp earns a 4.2 of 5 support rating with users praising responsiveness, but noting limited self-help resources, plus active forums and their popular Signal versus Noise blog. ClickUp scores 4.5 of 5 for comprehensive documentation and in-app guidance, offering extensive knowledge bases, video libraries, template marketplaces, and regular webinars. Real-world success stories illustrate each platform's strengths in practice. Pixel Perfect, a 15-person digital agency, uses Basecamp's simple interface for client design sharing and feedback collection, reducing email volume by 70% and shortening revision cycles. Technova, a 50-employee SaaS company, leveraged ClickUp's custom fields for feature priorities, sprint templates for planning, and automation for status reporting, saving 12 hours per week on routine task management. This framework helps clarify your choice based on technical comfort and workflow complexity. For low technical skill with simple workflows, Basecamp is ideal for easy and straightforward management. For high technical skill with complex workflows, ClickUp provides power and customization. Basecamp is perfect for teams valuing simplicity and built-in communication, while ClickUp is the go-to choice for teams needing robust project management, automation, and scalability. Consider your industry. Creative agencies often prefer Basecamp, while software teams typically benefit from ClickUp. Your choice should align with your team's core values and operational needs. Choose Basecamp if you value simplicity over extensive features, need fast implementation with minimal training, prioritize client collaboration, have straightforward workflows, and want fixed, predictable budgets. Choose ClickUp if you need advanced customization, require detailed reporting and analytics, consider time tracking essential, anticipate scaling complexity, or want to leverage automation for efficiency. Both are excellent, just for different purposes. In 2025, the gap between these platforms continues widening intentionally. Basecamp maintains its simplicity focus while ClickUp expands its feature set. There's no universally better option, only the right fit for your specific team needs. Leverage free trial periods to test with actual workflows, involve key team members in evaluation, and remember that the best project management tool is the one your team will actually use consistently.